Hello and welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Vicki Harvey. Today we're in Pawleys Island, South Carolina at another great golf course. We're in Pawleys Plantation and I'm going to share with you the history about this fabulous course. Come with me as we go inside. I'm now with the general manager of Pawleys Plantation Golf Course, and his name is Riley Kinlaw. So Riley, can you tell me and our audience who actually founded this club, or when did it start, and who is the designer, those types of things?
Yep, this is a Jack Nicklaus signature course. It opened in 1988. It was established as a high-end resort, membership-based, but also we have hotel packages. It was designed like that from the very beginning.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And it's been that way since it opened.
I was also told that in 2023, the club did a major renovation. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, so in 2023, we closed down for the summer to renovate our golf course. It was a project that started in 2018 with a visit from Jack Nicklaus himself.
Nice.
He came to visit the property on its 30th anniversary.
Oh, nice.
And during that visit, he had all his ideas and suggestions of what he would do if he wanted to modernize and redo the golf course.
Okay.
So Nicklaus Design came back in
Nice.
5 years later, post-COVID, to do the renovation. Their group came in and used all of Jack Nicklaus's notes, did the renovation pretty much the way he wanted to. Basically, it made the course, it needed some updates, 30 years old. The greens were all redone, recaptured about 40,000 square footage of greens, redid all the bunkers with capillary concrete,
Wow.
major tree removal, work on drainage and irrigation throughout the course. So it's much more playable. Still very challenging for the low handicap player, but much friendlier for the high handicap player at the same time.
Well, Riley, I want to thank you so much for your time and all the history about this fabulous course. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you so much. We loved having you here today.
Thank you. Thank you. So now we're here with membership coordinator Taylor Crew, and she is here to talk about, for one, membership and the different kinds that they have here for you to join, and then also a little bit about the new restaurant renovations, because they're also offering special deals to members.
Yeah, so while we were closed our golf course down, renovating it, and it's beautiful, we also updated our Palmetto Jack's, and it's a brand new restaurant with a wraparound porch. We can seat up to 140 people now. We also do breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Nice.
And during the season, we do a lot of live outside music, and they love it.
Oh, that's awesome. Taylor, could you tell our viewers and myself a little bit about the membership here for what you're offering now?
Absolutely. So our big one is the Club Life. And with the Club Life, that goes to all of our amenities here at Pawleys for our members. And you get 50% off all food and dining if it's not alcohol.
Is this a private club, or is there a public golf as well?
So, you know, a lot of people think that we are private, but I promise we are open to the public. Here, we also do social memberships and full golf memberships. Really, it's up to you what you want to do.
Awesome.
They all have the Club Life, so you get 50% off food and drinks here in Palmetto Jack's. And we also throw a lot of parties
Nice.
that people can join.
Who doesn't like a party?
I know I do.
Taylor, I just want to thank you so much for the opportunity to learn more about your membership and your golf course here. So once again, thank you.
Absolutely. We look forward to seeing you down in Pawleys.
Sounds good. Well, unfortunately, we are at the end of our episode, but we have learned so much and had such a great time down here at Pawleys Plantation today. The guest hosts were fabulous. That was Taylor and Riley. Thank you so much to both of you. And a special shout out and thank you to the Founders Club, who is allowing me to showcase 21 of their finest golf courses here in the Grand Strand area. And thank you to all of you who are watching, because we couldn't do this show without you. So until next time, keep living the American dream.